Copy trading on eToro allows you to automatically replicate the trades of experienced investors. Here's a step-by-step guide. Sign up and verify your account. Create an account on eToro at eToro.com. Complete the required identity verification by submitting personal information and documents. Deposit funds using your preferred payment method. Navigate to the Copy Trader feature. After logging in, go to the Discover tab or search bar and select the Copy People section. Here, you will find a list of top performing traders to follow. Analyze and choose a trader. Review traders' profiles based on risk score, indicates the trader's risk level. Return on investment, shows past performance. Portfolio composition, examines the types of assets they trade. Followers and AUM, reflect their popularity and reliability. Use eToro's filters to refine your search. Start copying. Select the trader and click copy. Set the amount of funds to allocate. Enable or disable the stop loss feature to manage risks. Confirm the settings and the system will automatically replicate the trader's actions. Monitor performance. Track the copy trades and adjust or stop copying if needed.